Welcome you all to another new class. It's Milimis with you. So, to know that in past perfect tense, there is the use of before and after, and these two connector change the meaning of the tense. And you know that there are two common examples like the patient had died before the doctor came. I repeat, the patient had died before the doctor came. If we find after as a connector at the middle of past perfect tense, then the second clause would be past perfect tense and the first one would be past indefinite tense. For example, if I say that the patient died after the doctor had come, the patient died. So the first clause is past indefinite and the second clause after the doctor had come is past perfect. So this is the use of before and after connector in past perfect tense. In today's class, we will describe past perfect tense. So, what is past perfect tense? In past perfect tense, we use the structure that is subject and then had and then past participle form of the verb and then object. So, had plus past participle form of the verb. I had written a letter. He had played football. So we use the past participle form of the verb. But in past perfect tense, there is also the use of before and after. In these two connectors, if we find the connector before at the middle, then the first clause would be past perfect tense and the second clause would be past indefinite tense. I repeat, if we find the connector before, then the first clause would be past perfect tense and the second one would be past indefinite tense. At the same time, if we find after as a connector, then the first clause would be past indefinite tense and the second clause would be past perfect tense. There are two very common and traditional examples of learning past perfect tense. Number one, the patient had died before the doctor came. So, we are using the connector before, so the first clause is past perfect. The patient had died. And the second one is past indefinite. The doctor came. And for after, it would be the patient died after the doctor had come. So, in this case, the second clause would be past perfect tense. So, it's sometimes you can find it a bit difficult, but just mind one thing that before that is past perfect tense and after that is also past perfect tense. So let's test yourself. There I have given two sentences in their base form. You have to change it in past perfect tense. I enter into the class before the teacher come. I enter into the class after the teacher come. So you can try it yourself and write the answer, correct answer in the comment box below the video. Okay, let's match. I had entered into the class before the teacher came. I entered into the class after the teacher had come. So here we find the same thing whenever we use after, the second part would be past perfect tense, and whenever we use before, the first part would be past perfect tense. Okay, so that's all for now. Please stay connected with Academic English and stay connected with us. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you find any difficulty in any of your academic English, you can knock us in our page. We will try to help you. That's all for today. Goodbye.